Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Okay, let's go to the video section. Now we are the discussion topic for the Multiple Correspondence Analysis MCA in RStudio. So what is the multiple correspondence analysis? The multiple correspondence analysis is an extension of corresponding analysis CA used for exploring and visualization patterns in categorical data. It helps to identify the relationship among multiple categorical variables by reducing the dimensionality of the data set and representing the associations in a lower dimensional space. MCA is widely used in biological science, especially when dealing with complex data set with multiple categorical variables such as species traits, environmental conditions, or genetic markers. So now how to analyze for the multiple correspondence analysis in RStudio used for the ecological data set. So open the RStudio. The two main packages installed for the RStudio because the two packages helpful for the analyzing in multiple correspondence analysis in RStudio. The first one package is for the FactoMineR, the next one package is for the factoextra. So the two packages installed in the first steps for in the console sections. So the first installed for the FactoMineR packages. Enter. So the installing packages in the FactoMineR. The next one packages for the factoextra. So enter the command factoextra. Okay, the installed for the two packages. So the next one command for the loading library in the RStudio. So the enter the command in the console sections. Library FactoMineR. So the next one command for the loaded packages for the factoextra. So the active for the two library packages in FactoMineR and factoextra. So the next for the dataset in imported for our dataset in RStudio. So this is for our dataset. We take for the 10 different the plant species. The species name for the plant A, B, C, D. The last one for the plant J, and the habit type for the 3 type of habit in the plant, and leaf type, root system, flower color, and pollinations. This is a data set. The data set imported to the RStudio. So the copy the data and paste to the console section. Click to enter. So the data imported in the RStudio. So the next one important command for the fourth step. So the converter categorical variable in factors. So our the data converted to the factor variables. So enter the command in 4 steps. So the active for the factor options. Then the next one for the steps by the running MCA multiple correspondence analysis excluding the species as it's just an ID. Enter the command. And the next one for the steps in the 6, the summary of the result in multiple correspondence analysis, then eigenvalue, percentage of variations explained by the each dimensions. The steps 6. So enter the command. So the eigenvalues for the percentage. So eigenvalue percentage of the variations, cumulative the percentage of the variations. So the next one for the individual coordinators, the dimension 1 and the dimension 2. So enter the command in console sections. Click to the enter. The dimension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one command for the variable categorical coordinates. In the command enter. So the forest, grassland, wetland, the desired, also the dimension the 1, 2, 3, 4, enter the data. So the next one for the step 6, the visualizing the multiple correspondence analysis the biplot. So enter the command, click to the enter, and the view on this is for the MCA biplot. Click to the zoom options. So this is for the dimension 1 36.9 percentage and dimension 2 for the 31.9 percentage. So this is for the red color is wind, and yellow the plant name for the green color, and the number 1 to the present in the biplot. So the next one for the step 6, the contribution of the variables to dimensions. So the variable category that the contributed the must to the dimension 1. So enter the command, the step 8. So this is a contribution to the dimension 1. The graph view on the, click to the zoom button. So this is a contribution the dimension 1 graph. So next graph for the created to the dimension 2. So the variable categorical that contributor must of the dimension 2. Enter the command, click. So this is for the contributor to the dimension. So this is for the contribute to the dimension 2. So the view the graph are the 3 graph and the biplot and dimension 1 and dimension 2, and the data set for the summary of the multiple correspondence analysis. Okay, this is for the analyzing in multiple correspondence analysis in RStudio. Then full code packages and additional detail I will explain for the our blocker page. That page link also mentioned to the this video description box. If you want this code, please visit to our blocker page and get the full code. And any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Okay, additional for the interpretation of the multiple correspondence analysis in RStudio, I will explain for the another one video. That video link also mentioned to the this video description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.